The graphic image of a work item can be based upon a label. We are going to use the same example that we used in the video call using label to root out, where we sorted blue cards and green cards. So please check the relevant video in the pop-up link or use the video in the description for your preference. Now we go a step further. We will turn the default image, the red bone, into the blue card and green card. So let's run this one with slow speed. You can see the default image is the red bone. We want the image after left the activity one, we will see blue card go to blue queue and green card go into green queue. And the color of those images will depend on the value that we assign to the label LBL-color we created previously. We can check the label we already created. So right here we can see we have the label called LBL-color with two values, one for blue and two for green. Okay. Now we need to create a label-based distribution. We can go to Distribution ribbon under Data and Rules tab. Click New, choose Label Based, Next, and we should choose the label that we already created, which is LBL color. Click OK right here. Okay, that is the first step. Next, we need to prepare the relevant image used for blue card and green card. To do that, click on Activity 1, go to Graphics, and click Work Item on Assets. Manage Image for these simulations. Work Item Image on Assets. We can create a new image. Okay, so we can open the library and choose the image that represents for blue card. Okay, and let's call it card 1. Okay, we can do the same thing for green card. Let's call it card 2 and choose a relevant image from the library. All right. So now we are going to create a second label. This label is important and this must begin with image with colon punctuation mark. This is a necessary instruction to simulate so it can understand that we will use this label to search for image in the library. We go to Data and Rules, open Label ribbons, add a new label, and let's call it Image. And in this case, it is car. This label means that it will look up the image library for image called car. It then selects the image that ends with the value source from the label color, which is either 1 or 2, and will return the blue car image or the green car image. And to do that, we can add the object to the new label, which is activity 1, and we can add action to this label. In particular, we would like to set this label to the label-based distribution that we created previously, which is LBL color. Click OK. Now, let's rerun the new simulation. So now we already see the blue car image appear after the work item left the activity 1 and go to the blue queue, and the same for the ring card image, go to the ring queue. This is what we wanted.